can a budgie be left alone? Kids and pets are a great responsibility for every household or a long business trip. Leaving them alone at home is the hardest decision, where we can always drop our kids to our parents' house. Pets are very particular about who they like or not. Hence, for their betterment, we have to leave our furry or feathery friends at home. Though a tough decision, especially with our alien family members. We all are on the crossroads of do's and don'ts when leaving them home alone. Being the most famous bird pet, the Budgie species has experienced a lot of empty home hours more than anyone else. Budgie's parents are also curious to know if there are ways to leave their little birdies safely at home. Let's know the possibilities. For how long can you leave your budgie home alone? Ideally, budgies must not be left home alone for more than a weekend. Though there is no hard and fast rule that is the maximum time where any unforeseen event could still be brought under control. Say you have filled enough food and water in your budgie's dishes and feed upon. Fill his bathing bowl, fill his cage with embroidered toys, and even switch the music or television on to keep the bird entertained. God forbid if the bird accidentally tangles himself in the perch or choke himself by overstuffing the pellet lips accidentally. The chances that you reach home sooner or are higher if you leave him for 2 weeks, for 2 days, even leaving him for a week. I will put this at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and go on TikTok. I'm on there too. Maria Golden 123.